If your Toyota RAV4 won't start, don't panic. We can diagnose the most common culprits in under 3 minutes. Statistically, 8 out of 10 no-start cases trace back to a dead battery or loose connections. Let's walk through the diagnostic process to pinpoint your specific failure. Start with the basics by checking for terminal corrosion and ensuring your key fob battery is not the issue. If the battery is fine, listen closely for a single click, which often points to a worn starter motor. Always remember to disconnect the negative battery terminal before touching any electrical components to prevent shorts. Attempt simple fixes like cleaning terminals yourself, but leave complex ECU or timing issues to the professionals. Here is the typical cost breakdown for the most common RAV4 starting system repairs. Use an OBD-I scanner to pull stored codes and a multimeter to verify your battery voltage under load. Keep a basic socket set and a multimeter in your garage to handle these diagnostics effectively. My best advice is to never replace expensive parts until you have verified the voltage drop at the starter. Thanks for watching, and check the description for more specific links to your RAV4 model year.